itself horizontally, desperately drifting as far away as possible. The vibrations slowly fade out, then disappear as the sea goes dead, calm again. Like absolutely nothing ever happened. You lay flat on this freakishly dense ocean, and then the sky starts to change. The brightness drops completely within seconds. The sky turns from dim yellow to dark orange, and then into a deep dark red. Like someone cranked the dimmer switch all the way down. You think maybe it is just the clouds moving, and it will pass if you just wait a bit. But you are dead wrong again. The radiation alarm starts screaming right then. A red warning pops up on your helmet visor. Extreme X-ray flux detected. Immediate shielding highly recommended. Kepler 22b, that star that looks so much milder than our sun, so much more stable, is blasting out a massive solar flare. You suddenly remember what the training manual said. Solar flares do not care about timing. X-rays travel at the exact speed of light. There is zero warning. But what the manual did not tell you is that when you float on a water world surface, watching the sky burn from yellow to dark red, every single word in that manual is totally useless. You have absolutely no other choice. You just have to dive deep down. You take a huge deep breath, shut off the buoyancy assist, and let yourself sink slowly, diving right into that bottomless pitch, black darkness. You are just drifting underwater, unable to see a single thing, only watching the radiation levels on your screen, ticking down bar by bar, painfully slow, like it is trying to torture you. 1 hour goes by, then 2. 3 hours later, the levels finally hit the safe zone. You slowly float back up, breaking right through the surface, and see that dark red sky again, starting to fade away bit by bit, turning back to a dim yellow, going back to orange as light hits the sea again. You just float there for a very long time. Zero sound coming from above you, zero sound coming from below you. The whole planet is as quiet as a dead corner of space. You use your last bit of battery to ping your tracker, blasting your coordinates into the void over and over. Maybe somebody out there will actually catch it, or maybe nobody ever will. You lie there on that freakishly dense ocean, staring straight up at the orange sky, and suddenly it all feels kind of absurd. Humanity spent decades searching, desperately trying to find a second Earth, but nobody told you what habitable actually means. It does not mean it is safe. It does not mean it is warm. It does not mean you are welcome here. Habitable is just a number crunched by some model. It is just about temperatures and orbits. It is nothing but a theoretical possibility, and that is literally it. The planet that actually kept you alive had a magnetic field and an ozone layer. It had beautiful coastlines. It had 4 seasons and air you could breathe right in. It was never missing a single thing. And yet you never really thought it was that big of a deal. You stare at that strange alien sky above you, and the blue you were looking for is just not there.